Colored gemstones have completely transformed the world of fine jewelry. While diamonds will always be timeless, more people are now choosing vibrant gemstones that feel unique, personal, and full of character. From deep blue sapphires to vivid emeralds and romantic rubies, colored stones add personality in a way that traditional jewelry sometimes cannot. Today's buyers are looking for jewelry that feels meaningful rather than mass-produced. They want pieces that tell a story, spark emotion, and stand out naturally. That is one reason searches for jewelry near me and nearest jewelry have increased so much over the last few years, especially among shoppers looking for custom or gemstone-focused pieces. If you have been exploring jewelry stores or searching for high-end jewelry in Arcadia, understanding colored gemstones can help you make a smarter and more confident purchase. Whether you are shopping for an engagement ring, anniversary gift, heirloom piece, or luxury statement accessory, this guide will walk you through everything you should know about colored gemstones in fine jewelry. Why colored gemstones are becoming so popular. Fine jewelry trends have shifted dramatically in recent years. Buyers are moving away from overly traditional styles and leaning toward jewelry that feels more personal and expressive. Colored gemstones naturally create that emotional connection. Every gemstone has its own personality, symbolism, and visual appeal. Some people are drawn to the calming elegance of aquamarine, while others love the richness and prestige of emeralds or rubies. Another reason colored gemstones continue growing in popularity is that they instantly make jewelry feel more distinctive. Two diamond rings may look somewhat similar, but a vivid sapphire or green tourmaline creates a completely different look. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia have expanded their colored gemstone collections because customers are specifically asking for more unique and customized pieces. Modern buyers want jewelry that feels memorable and luxurious without looking exactly like everyone else's. The most popular colored gemstones in fine jewelry. Sapphires are among the most popular gemstones in luxury jewelry. Most people immediately think of deep royal blue sapphires, but these stones actually come in a wide variety of shades, including pink, yellow, green, and white. Blue sapphires symbolize loyalty, wisdom, and elegance. They are also extremely durable, making them perfect for engagement rings and everyday fine jewelry. Many people searching for jewelry near me are surprised to learn how versatile sapphires really are. They pair beautifully with white gold, yellow gold, and platinum settings, allowing for both modern and vintage-inspired designs. Emeralds are known for their rich green color and timeless sophistication. These gemstones have long been associated with royalty, wealth, and luxury. Unlike diamonds, emeralds often contain natural inclusions. These inclusions are actually considered part of the gemstone's identity and uniqueness. Luxury jewelry stores frequently showcase emerald pieces because they instantly create a bold and upscale appearance. Whether set into rings, necklaces, or earrings, emeralds bring a level of richness that is difficult to replicate. Shoppers exploring jewelry in Arcadia often gravitate toward emerald pieces because they feel elegant, yet stand out from more traditional styles. Rubies symbolize love, passion, and confidence. Their intense red color creates a dramatic and luxurious appearance that has remained desirable for generations. High-quality rubies are incredibly rare, especially untreated stones with vivid saturation. This rarity makes fine ruby jewelry highly valuable both emotionally and financially. Many jewelry stores in Arcadia feature rubies in statement rings and anniversary jewelry because of their timeless romantic appeal. Aquamarine has a softer and more calming appearance compared to deeper colored gemstones. Its light blue tones create a clean and elegant aesthetic that works beautifully in minimalist jewelry designs. Aquamarine is especially popular among buyers who want colored gemstone jewelry that feels sophisticated but not overly bold. Tourmalines have become increasingly popular because they come in such a wide range of colors. From vibrant pinks to rich greens and teal shades, tourmalines offer endless design possibilities. Younger luxury buyers searching for the nearest jewelry boutique often gravitate toward tourmaline because it feels fresh, artistic, and less traditional. What determines the value of colored gemstones? Not all gemstones are valued equally. Several important factors determine pricing and quality in fine gemstone jewelry. Color is the single most important factor in determining gemstone value. Rich, vivid, and evenly distributed colors are generally considered the most valuable. Gemologists carefully evaluate tone saturation, brightness, consistency. The stronger and more vibrant the color, the more desirable the gemstone usually becomes. Clarity. Some gemstones naturally contain inclusions, while others are expected to appear cleaner. Emeralds, for example, almost always contain internal characteristics, while sapphires and aquamarines are often judged more heavily on clarity. Cut. A gemstone's cut dramatically affects its brilliance and appearance. Skilled cutting enhances the stone's color, sparkle, and symmetry. Experienced jewelry stores understand that proper craftsmanship can completely transform how a gemstone looks once it is set into fine jewelry. Origin. The origin of a gemstone can also impact value. Certain regions are famous for producing exceptional stones. For example, Colombian emeralds, Burmese rubies, Kashmir sapphires. These origins are often associated with some of the world's most valuable gemstones. Colored gemstones and engagement rings. Engagement ring trends have changed significantly over the last decade. Many couples now want rings that feel unique and personal rather than overly traditional. Colored gemstone engagement rings allow couples to express individuality while still maintaining a luxurious and timeless feel. Popular gemstone engagement ring choices include sapphire halo rings, emerald-cut emerald rings, ruby three-stone rings, pink sapphire solitaires, mixed gemstone settings. Many people visiting jewelry stores are specifically asking for custom gemstone engagement rings because they want something different from the standard diamond solitaire. Jewelry in Arcadia has especially embraced this trend as buyers continue seeking more personalized luxury pieces. How to care for colored gemstone jewelry. Proper care is essential if you want your gemstone jewelry to remain beautiful for years to come. Here are a few simple maintenance tips. Remove jewelry during workouts or heavy activity. Avoid exposing gemstones to harsh chemicals. Store pieces separately to avoid scratches. Have settings inspected regularly. Clean jewelry carefully using gemstone-safe methods. Certain gemstones are softer or more delicate than diamonds, which means professional maintenance becomes even more important. This is one reason many people search for jewelry repair around me when they notice loose stones, scratches, or worn prongs. Why professional jewelry repair matters. Fine jewelry is an investment, and proper maintenance helps protect both its beauty and long-term value. Professional repair services can help with ring resizing stone, tightening prong repair, polishing, clasp repair, rhodium plating, gemstone replacement. Choosing an experienced Arcadia jewelry repair specialist is especially important when working with colored gemstones because certain stones require more delicate handling than diamonds. An experienced Arcadia jewelry repair shop understands how to safely clean, restore, and protect high-end gemstone jewelry without causing further damage. Many people searching for jewelry repair around me are not simply looking for convenience. They want someone trustworthy who understands the craftsmanship and value behind luxury jewelry. How to choose the right jewelry store. Not all jewelry stores offer the same level of expertise, especially when it comes to colored gemstones. When searching for jewelry stores in Arcadia, look for a jeweler that offers high-quality craftsmanship, transparent education, custom design services, professional repair options, long-term customer support, experience with colored gemstones. The best jewelry stores focus on relationships, not just sales. Customers searching for the nearest jewelry destination often want guidance, expertise, and trust, just as much as they want beautiful jewelry. This is especially true when investing in gemstone jewelry that may become a future heirloom. Colored gemstones are more than a trend. Colored gemstones are not simply a passing fashion trend. They represent a shift toward individuality, craftsmanship, and emotional connection in luxury jewelry. People want jewelry that reflects personality and meaning. They want pieces that feel unique rather than mass-produced. Colored gemstones offer exactly that balance of luxury and self-expression. Whether you are shopping for an engagement ring, anniversary gift, custom pendant, or collectible piece, gemstone jewelry offers endless possibilities. Discover luxury gemstone jewelry at Dorano Jewelry. If you are searching for trusted jewelry stores in Arcadia that specialize in fine craftsmanship and exceptional customer service, Dorano Jewelry is a destination worth exploring. our team offers a beautiful selection of gemstone jewelry, engagement rings, luxury watches, and custom jewelry designs tailored to each client's style and vision. Dorano Jewelry is also known for professional Arcadia jewelry repair services, helping clients restore treasured pieces with precision and care. Whether you are searching for jewelry repair around me, an experienced Arcadia jewelry repair shop, or luxury jewelry in Arcadia, our knowledgeable team is dedicated to delivering a personalized experience from start to finish. For anyone looking for the nearest jewelry destination that combines craftsmanship, honesty, and luxury service, Dorano Jewelry continues to stand out among the top jewelry stores in Arcadia.